I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge, and we're on week 37. And our prompts for this week is drawing a photo of a clock tower. I've got this, a Big Ben. A handwritten list or note, and I've got this. A bridge. I've got this bridge, which I think is a London Bridge, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. Something red. I've got this lady all dressed in red. A clipping of an ornate border or frame. I have got this frame. And the bonus is washi tape. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. I'm sorry about the light on mine. It just seemed, it's like as soon as I sat down, the sun decided to come out. Well, we're doing okay. I can't really complain. So I know I want that to go there. And I've got a few scraps. Let's see. I figured I would have that, something like there. And put that up under there. Just to kind of collage a background and use that. And I just kind of want to put that there just to break it up a little bit. So let me start getting some of this down. Yeah. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2025 CWP 37 to see what everyone else is doing this week. This year. I'm thinking about, I wonder if she's going to do it next year, this challenge. Hadn't been that many people participating this year, but she did get the prompts out very late. And one year I participated, it was like this. It wasn't a lot of people participating. And then the next year there were a lot of people. So I don't know. I enjoy it. And it's one of the videos I make that gets the most views. So I hope she'll do it. But I know a lot of people said if they did, they may not this time participate again the next time. But I just don't know. All right. And I'm just gonna, it's just some scraps I had. Always good to get those out of the way. Okay, now let's see what we want to do. I have got my bridge. I have got my lady in red. Suddenly I want to sing that song, but it's best if I don't. And I'm thinking I kind of would like to do the frame, something like that. I think I'm going to go ahead and get that down. We have had warm days, but cooler nights. So that's still been nice. It's been getting up in the, I think, the lower 80s during the day and the lower 60s at night. So the weather hasn't been bad at all. The humidity hadn't been great, and that's good. That's what gets us here in Mississippi, is the humidity. These little pieces laid down. All right, and now my lady in red. There's really no theme to this one, unless she's out and about in London. Oops, I didn't quite her feet were cut off, so I want to, there we go. There we go. And now let's see what washi tape. I like all three. I think that one's a little too pinky. I'm kind of, let's see here. Find the end. There it is. And tear it out. Just kind of add a little bit around. All right, and now let's see what else I can add to it. Got these stickers. Maybe I can find something that could also be red. I do love flowers. So let's see here. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. And got this. I've got so many of these little stickers. I need to use some of them up. Okay. And now I just want to add some gold splatters. Find my paintbrush. Okay. I think I'm done. So let's see what we have. We have a drawing or photo of clock tower. I've got that. Handwritten list or note. Got that. A bridge. Something red. Clipping of an ornate border or frame. I've got that. And the bonus is washi tape. So we have got everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great, wonderful day, week. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye, y'all.